Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to TERIYAKI Japanese channel. I'm Rio. Today we are making chicken teriyaki without using any oil. I believe this version is more tasty and healthy. To make it is super easy and the taste would be super yummy. Alright, let's get started. Yeah, the ingredients for chicken teriyaki is only one, the chicken thigh. Plus you need teriyaki sauce, but today's version is sugar-free, so I put more milling compared to the ordinary one. If you use sugar, I put same amount of sake, soy sauce and milling, but this time I put 1 more tablespoon of milling. You got 4 steps to make it. The step 1 is to cut the chicken thigh into bite-sized pieces. Step 2 is to heat the cut chicken in the room temperature frying pan with 1 tablespoon of water. Put the lid on and heat it for about 7 to 8 minutes with medium-low heat. Be sure to put the cut chicken with its skin side down. Step 3 is to remove the lid to let the excess water go. Turn up the heat into medium and just wait it to be evaporated. Step 4 is to add the teriyaki sauce in the pan. Flip over the cut chicken and when everything is covered with sauce, it's done. That's it. Sounds easy, isn't it? So why don't we go on to step 1? Alright, it's time to go to step 1. Step 1 is to cut the chicken thigh. Yeah, cut it into 4 ones. Okay, cut it into bite-sized pieces. Okay, it's cut. So why don't we go on to step 2? Alright, why don't we go on to step 2? Step 2 is to heat the cut chicken. Start with room temperature frying pan. Put 1 tablespoon of water in it. It's not oil, it's water. And put chicken pieces with its skin side down. Okay, now the chickens are ready, so why don't we heat the pan? Medium low heat. With the lid on. Leave it for 7 to 8 minutes. Alright, now 7 minutes has passed, so let's take a look. Yeah, it looks beautiful. It's nice and brown, isn't it? So remove the lid and wait a bit for the excess water to go. Okay, it's time to put this teriyaki sauce in the pan. Turn off the heat once. First, sake 1 tablespoon, plus soy sauce 1 tablespoon. And last but not least, milling 2 tablespoons. Not put sugar, put just 1 tablespoon in it. Turn on the heat and make it to a boil. Okay, it looks awesome, isn't it? When everything is covered with teriyaki sauce, it's done. Yes, it looks awesome, isn't it? It's nice and brown. Okay, now it's time to plate the chicken teriyaki. Alright, now you know how to make chicken teriyaki without using any oil. It's super easy, isn't it? I hope you like it along with the ordinary chicken teriyaki. So why don't you try making it at your home? Please put thumbs up button, leave some messages down below and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take good care. Arigato and see you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.